Oh, bud.
Come here, puppy.
Thanks.
How are you? He's like, I don't know who you are.
Are you guys giving up?
Your stuff's right here, Catherine.
Someone's eating the bone? What was a bone? Okay, hold on. It's like whenever they talk about it, I don't know if I should. He's such a good dog. Don't go under it, Damon. Let's get you down. What's your name?
You want to film it?
Sure. You can go help. You want to get down for a minute? We're all standing here. Liza, don't make him fall over. He doesn't want that right now. He just wants to walk around. Ooh, almost.
Liza, stay here.
Watch out, Liza, stop. I don't want the tree to fall on you. It'll hurt you really bad. Woo! Are you okay, dear? I think so. But then I moved it.